gaining the award for the second phase of the Cyprus Water Pipeline project. It had a lot to do with the work that we'd actually carried out in the first phase. For Trelleborg to win this award, it was based on some committed and reliable service in the first phase.
The overall objective is to transfer fresh water from Turkey to Cyprus.
We had to supply some bend restraints, which basically is to restrain the bend of a structure.
Even though it is a bend protection, it's split into 4 quadrants, it's got rubber fingers, it uses Kevlar straps, so there's a number of different design aspects which would differentiate it from our current bend stiffener product. We basically had to start from scratch, come up with a concept that would work, make sure it was installable, functional, from both a health and safety point of view and also an operational point of view.
As a company, we're very committed to performance at every level within the business, and that starts from the very beginning with our sales team, working with the customer, understanding the need.
And from a design point of view, I was dealing very closely with the draftspeople to make sure it all came together as planned.
There was a few challenges. The first challenge was to actually have the mould tool designed, procured to allow us to make the prototype mouldings. And from that, I then had to redesign the tool to make it more production friendly and to increase the output per shift.
The client came to us with a proposal of what they thought would work. We saw serious issues with installation and also functionality, and I think when we presented that back to them based on our experience, they fully backed us all the way.
We gained the tool and then we're able to work with that, set it up ready for manufacturing. What we then do is we have to put that tool into an oven. Once we've done that, we apply the PU filling, which allows us to put the material of the actual moulding into the tool. We allow that to set and to cool off, and then we would demould that particular tool. Once it's demoulded, there is a next process which involves coating steel work with a level of protection that is against corrosion. Once that has been set, we then are able to pack the product and ship it out.
The documentation is just as important as the product itself. The manufacturing data book provides documentary evidence of the approved design, the manufacturing process and the material compliance. It makes our customers very, very happy, yes, very reassured.
A customer will come to us and say, we've got this problem, there's no solution for it yet, can you develop something that will help us around the problem we've got, as we had here. Basically, there's not a problem we can't overcome.
We're at the front end of our game. We are always developing new products. We always like to innovate, come up with new ideas, new concepts. I look at Trelleborg as a solution provider.
Our customers look to us because we're very flexible and that we think about things in a very different manner than the straightforward. Quite often in projects, particularly of this size, things aren't straightforward.
Trelleborg basically is very well known in the world. And in general, Trelleborg products more than meets the industry requirement and have been a great success all over the years.
Trelleborg's greatest strength is the people that work here.
We have an awful lot of intellectual capital that we tap into as part of the projects and we use on a daily basis. The project was out in the open and a very competitive market.
It's been very rewarding to think that our products are going to be providing clean, cost-effective water to the people of Cyprus.
Trelleborg add value to the customer because we work closely with them, and when they place an order with us, we then become part of that team.
For us, with the people that we've got and the performance that we've shown on this particular project, I don't really feel that there are any limits to what we can do, and that for us is a real stamp of success for the company.